zoom to see. Okay, that's cool. Very good. So that you can see what I'm doing. So let me go on this channel. Let me pinch it out. That's beautiful there. Yeah, because I want everybody to see what I'm doing. That's perfect. Okay, good to go. There we go. Now I'm gonna put the fire back. Sorry if you can't see me, it's really cold today. Right, so what am I doing today? Nigerian Poff Poff. Delicious Poff Poff. Sweet Nigerian Poff Poff. If you have not liked this video, what are you waiting for, my people? Please like this video, share, feel free to comment. Share to all your social media handle so that you know something nice is happening here. Hey, wait. So that one is not charged yet. You can switch. So guys, I'm with you. The Poff Poff, I already missed it. Yeah, let me turn the light on. I already missed the Poff Poff. It's a few minutes ago, like an hour ago, because I said it on this channel. I'm going to have the shower, and when I come back, the flour is going to be rising to the top, and that is what I really want. Right, I like to use spoon. See that? So this kind of Poff Poff, when it's ready, yeah, so it will rise, and then pressing it for it to bounce back, that's how you know it is original. It's going to be giving that taste, that delicious taste that you want. So let's go. Stage one. Don't make it too much. So like that now. Right, so this one again, you can use any spoon of your choice. So that's there. So it's rising to the top. There. So that's 5. It's okay now. So what I'll do now, give it a whisk like that. You see that's popping up. It's up. Please like this video, share. I am on live. It was light. It doesn't stop it from rising up. Okay, so like this. Let me remove this one. You see? See? So that's what I'm saying. See the way it's beautiful. I like it to be. You see? Very easy. Completely drained out. That's the reason why I have this. Okay? Can you see that? It's given. So now, test try. Let me open it for you guys to see. You see? Very soft. Ready. Carefully drop it so that it won't be everywhere. You can make different sizes of your choice. Make sure you're not in a hurry so that it will be beautiful. If you are making 5, you know that when that 5 comes out, it will not be like too much splash. Give it a wait like this. Hello, my first commenters. Let me see. Oh, they'll be picking and eat, so you have good time, and they keep them quiet for longer. They can play around, do whatever they want to do. It's better than, I wouldn't say it's better than sweetie. I'm not making a choice for anyone, but for me, I prefer this one to sweeties. Easy pick and eat. Get a glass of water, drink, and then orange juice, so they are good to go. Okay, please, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Like this video. Feel free to comment as you're doing. Feel free to share. Totally Peace One on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and Facebook. Please follow my social media handle. God bless you. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for coming. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you so much. Like stone cutting it out, and then it'll be difficult, especially when you have young kids. So it'll be like, you know, stone bread, right? But this one, soft one. Well, how do you know if it's soft? When you press it, it bounces back. So that's not too hard. Like this one, a bit light. So that's how you know it's running a bit. Okay. So that can save you few quid. You can make a cup of tea, buy milk, you can make cappuccino. All right. Make sure you have several teas in your house, different type of teas. Anyone they want, they can have it. So that can beat inflation. Just like that inflation. Okay. You see, very, very easy. Popping up. Less than a minute, you drop it, it will come up. It will come up. That's how to know it is going to be very soft and then juicy. That type of Nigeria Poff Poff, delicious, tasty Poff Poff that you want. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate you stopping by. It's been a while I've not been making live video. Just about 2, I would say about a week now or 2. Yeah, I require a lot of half a maybe 1 liter of oil because it's deep fryer, and you drop it so it can pop up. So that's the only difference. And remember, the oil is not going to be wasted. By the time you drop it, when the oil is much, so that allows it to pop up, and then look at it, look at the color, it's brown. When it's brown, that's how you know it is ready. Okay, I like mine to be brown. So You see that? How cool is that? Nice. So it's a good size. Pitch in it. They will not be too big for them to hold, so that they won't get fed up with it very easily. You can make pop off with any flour of your choice, any ingredients of your choice, okay? Anything. But the mixing, it's where you have to be very careful. Make sure it is not too watery, okay? And make sure it is not too thick. Not too thick. And then by the time you deep fry it, give it a whisk like this, a pop-up. And then you are good to go. Very easy. I can assure you, in less than 1 hour, you are out of here, because it's deep fryer. You have this. Before you make full bag of pop-off flour, you will not even know. Half an hour, you will make massive bowl. If you want to sell, this one is a good one. I recommend this. Buy this deep fryer, okay? You will not even know the time you will fry a big bag of pop-off. And you will not even be tired. I guarantee you that. You will not be tired. You can supply to stuff. Oh, thank you so much, Sarah. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, Sarah. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. You will not even know the time you will fry a massive bag of pop-off to supply to shops. The mixing part, that's where you're going to be careful not to make it too runny. You can use coconut water. You can grate coconut inside of it, so that when you're biting it, you see that crunchiness is coming out. If you're the type that would like your pop-off to be crunchy. So a lot of people, they like smooth, okay? Depends on what your children really like. Because nowadays, if you're a mom, it's very, very difficult to cook what you want to eat. You first of all think about the children, if that's what they like to eat. Because there's no point you standing cooking for a very long time, and then they come back, they don't want to eat it. It's like standing cooking for nothing. So it is better you cook what they want, how they want to have it. So you'll be free. See? Look at that. So the reason why I drop it here, for the oil to trail out a little bit. And then we are going to put it back again. I use spoon. If you are the type that keep your nails very, very long and polished, okay? So using spoon is very good. It's an idea. Or you don't want to get your hands dirty. Because by the time you dip your hands inside the flour, you'll be going back to the sink and wash your hands over and over again. So that is why I use this simple method, quick and easy, spoon. It's not that I have beautiful nails. I don't do my nails because it's the nature of my job. So give it a whisk here like this. It's up. And there you have it. So simple. Very, 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 very simple. See? Look at that. Look how much I've made now. You won't believe. So that is it. You can decide to mix your flour and do school runs. Go drop them at school. Before you come back, flour is ready. Okay, it's ready, risen up, and then you start to fry. You have your oil ready. If you don't have deep fryer, you can use deep pot. You can use the pot, you can use your fry pan. The reason why I don't like fry pan, because you'll be using too much oil. To be honest with you, you'll be using too much of oil in your fry pan, because you want to save it. Because some people don't like to use the oil from pop-off to cook again. Some people throw it away. If you don't want to throw it away, keep that in a separate jar. So next time you can use it. Use it twice, and then you can decide to discharge of it. So that's what I do. So this is how you achieve your delicious puff puff with this simple method, step-by-step tutorial. Look at that. See, so I've spent less than an hour here already. You see, it is done. So make this life easy for yourself. Very easy. What I use to mix the flour, it is not water. Sarah, with a mafia, you try to write robo. So look at that, nearly done. Gone are days where you stand too much and then stay forever cooking. No, make life easy for yourself. See, look how much I've made now. So easy. Provided what I do, I don't make it too long. I don't make pop-off that will stay 1 week, 1 week, 2 weeks. No, the highest pop-off can stay in my fridge is 2 days. The very highest will be 3 days, and I will know the third day I'm the only one who's going to have it, because our children, they are not going to have it anymore. No, they won't. So the third day, I'm the one who's going to have it. Eat it. use cup of tea, cup of coffee, or water, or pure juice. You will enjoy your puff puff. Look at that. Within a twinkle of an eye, your puff puff is ready. Weekend like this, try and make some. Okay? You have this one at home. You have a couple of biscuits. You have fruits. You have other things. So they're gonna be happy jumping everywhere. Jumping everywhere. So they know when it's Friday, they look forward to Friday. They know mom is gonna have different things prepared. Okay? How about that? See, I'm done. And then I can now go and do some other things. You can decide to add pepper if you want. Add some pepper. See? Add some pepper. See? I'm done. Done and dusted. Look at that. So try it. If you want to know how I mix this flour, go on my video. Check out my video on the playlist. Hello, Mom. How are you? How was good today? Good girl. Look, I'm making puff puff. Is it nice? You want to have it go? Yeah. See? It's fresh. Yeah. Oh, no. Let's put some on the plates. Get the plates in there. So that's how you keep them. Okay? I told you. Be careful with the cables. Let me put it in. Good girl. I told you guys. See? One is back and then. So try it and then you testify. Feel free to comment under this video. Okay? Yeah. Thank you very much for this day. Subscribe to my videos. So that's it. I'm done now. So the next few points. Hold on. Look at that, guys. Look at it. Show it off. I'm showing off my skill. Right? Have some cup of tea, cup of coffee, juice, orange juice, pure juice, Lucozade, malt, name it. It's a go. Right? See you guys next time. Have a wonderful weekend. From me to you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for stopping by. Please like this video, share, feel free to comment, and subscribe to my video. Subscribe to my channel, and God bless you. Bye. Love you. Bye-bye, everyone.